under. Vionska grania is a miniature parasol. Ska grania is a parasol. And Mionska grania would be a mini parasol. Okay?
Why do they use that instead of just Biog?
Because that what you'd be saying a little. You could say that, but
Miniature is smaller than small.
yeah, tiny little parasol.
Child.
Yeah. Okay. So the word ska in Irish means a shade or a shadow. Ska. So the word for rain is an aran, and so an umbrella is a ska farhanya, a shadow of rain, a rain shadow, or a rain shade. Okay. And the Korean is the sun, and ska grania is parasol or sunshade. Ska grania.
You pronounce the long word with an F again.
So an aran and ska farhanya. So farin is rain, and aran is the rain. Ska farhanya is, should have it that under in English. Okay. You also have bostya and ska bostya. You'll hear us another word for rain in Irish. There's a few words in Irish for rain. The two main ones.
Refer to different types or.
No, there's two words that are kind of interchangeable depending who you hear, but it's bostya and farin.
So how do you pronounce that last one again? That's
Vionska. Fui Vionska grania. And you'll see the word myon stuck in front of a few words in Irish to mean kind of little things. Okay? So, yeah, myon turshki are minutes in a, it's like mini reports are the minutes. Myon turshki. So, okay. So, and shin hogshi glinado in a rev lecht and a lee. Fui Vionska grania. Okay. And laughing at the cat her last page. Okay. So she says, Curry shin and gruig foster the warakini adurchi. So this will set the hair growing on your toes, she said. Okay. So curry shin means this will put, or this will set. And gruig is the hair. Igfos is growing. Erd warakini on your toes. Barakini are toes. Okay, adorchi. Huh?
Is that any way related to Barracuda?
I don't know. Don't think so. Okay. So other than the words there, curry is the future of cur, so will put. Okay. Shin. Yeah. Actually it's really that will put. Maybe better translate that will set the hair growing on your toes. Okay?
What's the in there? Adorchi, what's the part?
Yeah, that she
said.
said, yeah. It doesn't, you don't translate to that. Okay? You kind of have to learn when the ahs need to go in Irish. Okay? So, curry shin and gruig eg foster the warakini adorchi.
Curry shin and gruig eg foster the warakini adorchi.
Okay? You're a kaharjed. Hershey Gluyaska romansach ershul. So she started a romantic CD playing. First a couple words. And Kiernin is the record, like a LP. And Kiernin.
I know what that is.
And Kashed is the cassette. Okay? And Luyaska is the CD.
This is what for each track.
Blue compact.
Probably Kashed, I guess. Huh? Blue is compact. So we had that with the word with the blue kippy, where with the serried ranks or whatever, but it's they're packed together rows of things, so that's the blue part of it.
Say that one more time. The CD.
Blue yiska. Blue yiska. DL. Blue. Blue
Oh, I was
yiska.
thinking pace.
Okay.
I thought Shul was walking.
Okay, okay. So shul does mean to walk, but when you turn something on, you set it walking. Okay. So you want to tell someone to turn something on, you put it shul, kur shul. So turn on the television, kur and television shul.
They get that horrible expression of leaving things running from us.
Yeah, you don't leave them running, you leave them walking in Irish.
So they have to say bad jokes too.
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah.
Refrigerator running and
Your
you
refrigerator's one.
Okay. So you want, huh?
French is something like that, isn't it? You mix something to march.
Right. Right. So in English they run, in French they march, and in Irish they walk. So it's more relaxed, you know. Okay.
Personalities.
Yeah, maybe it probably tells you something, but okay. So the television is on. You really say the television is on walking. Ta and television shul.
Television or shoe.
Okay.
Did the French used to do marching?
I don't know if their television's it or not, but and if you want to turn it off, you cur os, which means out. Okay, as opposed to kaf os, which means to throw it out. Okay, so cur and television os. Okay, and that's one of the ways you turn things off is you cur os. Another way there's the word much, which means to like extinguish. Okay, so some things you much.
Put out in television.
Like a light, you'd say much.
How do you do that?
So you want to say, like, put out the light, you'd say much. And solid.
So can you use that as a euphemism and tell someone to kill someone else?
I don't necessarily use it. You
Let's
wouldn't.
Only if a person's a candidate.
Shanti,
Well,
I'm-
I know
can
it
you
was
use
similar, like
for
light.
us for the light as well?
You could say karas. I think much is more common for that, and you could use much for telefish too. Yeah,
That's like, my grandma was born when there was coal oil.
yeah,
And she'd always say, put out the light. But my
Yeah.
mother was born when there was electricity. She'd say, turn off the light.
all right. So
Wow.
much.
I don't think even my grandmother had coal lights.
Okay. So Hershid Luyaska Roman Sacher Shul. Luyaska. You could also say CD, I guess, but
Hershey CD.
Roman Sacher Shul. Okay. But
Sounds like your grandson.
in this one, this is the way you normally put adjectives in Irish. Is the adjective comes after. So she put she CD romantic or shul. Okay. And then iver Cuid, number 15. Rausi she anon chige agus he she tivlesh an tolig. So she danced over to him and she sat next to him on the couch. Rausi she danced. So this is one of your long verbs. Okay. Anon chige is over towards him or to him. Agus he she and she sat. Tivlesh literally is side with him, and that means next to him. Okay, tiv, word tiv by itself means side, but it's used in a lot of expressions. Tivlesh, next to him.
That's
Okay.
T.
Tiv, yeah, or tev. You do both ways. Tiv or tev. So, he, she, tivlesh, and tolig on the couch. Okay? Tolig. Couch. Okay? So, I have a couple more examples of that. So if you want to say she danced over to me and she sat next to me on the couch, you have to know in a sentence what parts are referring to whom, okay? So Rausi she anan hugam is towards me. I guess he, she, sat she, tivlum next to me, eran tolig. Okay? So you have two different prepositions are being used here. Chig, which should be in one of those preposition charts if you have them. And hugam is the form for me, towards me. Okay? And tiv le is next to, tiv lum is next to me. Okay? And to give one more example, if we switch it around from the main sentence, say he danced over to her and sat next to her on the couch. Rausi she anan chiki. Agus he she tiv le eran tolig. Okay. You have to kind of know which parts are which in the sentence there. Okay. Let's go to Iver Shejeg. Chimmel she a grua gamal and a grua. So she rubbed her cheek slowly against his cheek. Chimmel she, the word chimmel is basic rub. She, a grua, her cheek. Gamal slowly, maybe if you could read it softly too. Lena is with his grua. Lena grua with his cheek. Okay? This actually, I think you could. You can actually flip them around, actually, I think it means the same thing. So context probably tells you more what's going on here. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So literally, it's rub she her cheek slowly with his cheek. Okay. Yeah, but it really means against his cheek. So the le here in Irish normally means with, but the idea is that she did it. Okay. 17. Hog column iri a blús oscailt a chip graim of re na knappy. So Colum tried to open her blouse, but he failed to get a grip on the buttons. Okay, this is about as wild as the story's getting. So, couple expressions that say to try to do something. Okay, so one is